Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. The house is great, but the gold is in the garages. With over 3,800 square feet of garage space, mostly heated and insulated, you will have plenty of room for all your projects. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and an open floor plan with everything on one level. All of this is situated on a 2-acre park-like setting in a convenient location north of Brainerd and south of Merrifield.